What's going on today, everybody? Look at this view, eh? Wow. I'm just cruising along here on Coal Camp Road. Figured I'd go check out some other areas. Looks like it might be a little wet out here. What do you do? So how's everybody been doing? What a great year it's been this year. Well, other than the bad weather. Finally, after a long week of work, able to get out and enjoy some riding. It was kind of nice yesterday, but almost 11 hours to get from Delta to Calgary and then an hour drive home. Yeah, I'm not in the greatest of minds to be riding a motorcycle. So I opt not to ride when I get home. And that's one of the reasons why I don't ride my motorcycle to work. It's just, I'm tired, and hopping on a motorcycle just doesn't seem like a very ideal thing to do when you're tired. So I'm just kind of cruising out here, looking for something new to ride on. Try and get out and ride different areas. Try to anyway. It doesn't always work out that way, but hey, you can't win them all, right? So this little recreation area. Looks like it's closed off today though. So as you can see, our trees are starting to change up here in the Great White North. I wish the season was a little nicer. Got a lot of rain. Oh well, it's always next year. So I don't have a PO box anymore, so please don't send me anything to that PO address. I just trying to cut back on things that I look this way. Just trying to cut back on personal expenses. Where I live, it's like $160 for 6 months, and you just get so much junk mail. And right at this moment in time, it just doesn't seem feasible to have the mailbox anyway, because the whole 6 months that I had it, I only got like 6 letters. So it's a pretty expensive mailbox. So yeah, this is kind of a spot that's gonna dead end out on me. Yep. Oh well. I think I'll hop out and take a look at the view here though. There's the road down there that I came up. There's a trail that scoots up that hill. Check it's not showing on my GPS. Don't want to go too nuts as usual. What a beautiful view. Got the mountains over there if the GoPro will show them. And of course, oil rig stuff. Welcome to Alberta. There's a flare. What a beautiful view though. Boy, the sound of the river sure does carry you up here. Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna cut this one off here. Thought I'd just give a quick update on my mail status for my PO box. So like I said, don't send any mail to my PO address. I've removed it from my description. I would also like to give a shout out to Rocket Rider 510. If you haven't checked his channel out, you should go over there. He's got some great videos. He's stepping up his game. He's doing a podcast now. Rides a beautiful motorcycle. I don't exactly remember what brand it is. I'm sorry, Rocket Rider. Yeah, it's just, I'm not up on the sport bikes or the naked sport bikes, but it is a beautiful bike. Love the color. And yeah, he's down in California in the San Francisco Bay Area. Yeah, check him out. Rocket Rider 510. All right, I'm out of here. I'm gonna call her a day. No, got a bunch more riding to do, so catch you on the next ride. Cheers. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos. Cheers.